Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. In the previous video, I showed you on how to successfully download, and in the previous video, I showed you on how to successfully download Xianyu app on your Android phone, most especially if you cannot see the app in your Google Play Store. Okay, if you have not watched the video, you can check the description of this video to check out on the video. After a successful download, the next thing you want to do is to see how we can run the setup of this particular Xianyu app on our Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, so after a successful download your Xianyu app, access from the web right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your download folder on your Android device. For that, I'm going to go ahead and look for files right here. Come to search app, files. So here we go, files right here. Click on files. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to your download folders. Then you definitely see your Xianyu app right here. And then from our download folder right here, before we can install APK, there are some certain security we need to make sure we turn off on our Android phone for a successful installation of our Xianyu app. So before that, we want to make sure I exit from my download folder right here. First thing first, go ahead and check your Android phone security settings. Proceed to settings on your Android phone. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for security and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for advanced protection right here. Scroll down right here and make sure this is turned off on your Google account on your Android device. Then go back right here and make sure everything here is turned on green in your Android security settings. Lastly, go ahead and make sure you exit from here and proceed to your Play Store. So in Play Store, you need to make sure you turn off Play Protect. Click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Play Protect. Then go ahead and click on this setting icon and make sure you click on here to turn off Play Protect. Go ahead and turn off. Verify your identity. Then click on Continue. Successfully turn off. Then we can exit from Play Store and come back to our download folder right here. Now we are ready to install Xianyu app successful on our Android phone. Click on the app after a successful download. Do you want to install this app? Click on Install. App was installed successful into our Android device. Just like so, you have successfully installed the app. After successful installation, you can simply click on Open right here to launch the app. Just like so, you have successfully installed your Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. In the next tutorial, I will show you on how to simply log in and register successful in your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any other Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.